making some beef queso dip.
That's right. Let's get it. What is up, Just Two Squad? We are back with another video, and I'm Justin.
Melissa.
And today, as you heard it, we're going to be making what is it?
Beef queso dip.
And we're going to go over the ingredients we got right here. So let's go over them. First, of course, we got the beef. Where's the beef? We got the beef. Next, of course, you're going to need some tomatoes. Then, of course, you're going to need the cheese. We got the original melt and dip. Easy melt cheese. We're going to cut that in half. We don't need all of it. I only need 8 ounces.
And of course, we got pepper. Hot Mexican style chili powder.
Ground cumin.
Diced green chilies.
Salt. Olive oil. And some mozzarella jack cheese. Alright, and we're going to be going over how to make this, so let's get started, shall we? Alrighty, so what is the first thing we're going to start with?
First thing is, we're going to get a pan, put it on medium, get the olive oil, pour a little bit. That should be good. Then, we're going to let it heat it up. Let it get warm or heated up.
So the first thing we are going to cook is the beef. What is that? What are you doing right there?
We gotta test it first.
What are you testing? Tell the people.
To see if it's hot enough for it to fry or whatever.
I mean, you literally just put it on there.
Yeah.
You just put it on the ISO. Okay.
If I don't hear no sizzling, then it ain't ready yet.
Okay, now she is doing that. I'm gonna cut the tomatoes. Alrighty, the meat is looking pretty good. It's cooking really nicely. Now, what are you gonna do?
I'm about to add some chili powder to it.
How much? Or is it your discretion?
Just as you like.
Okay.
About to add some cumin to it.
As much as you like, once again.
I'm gonna mix it. As you can see, it's starting to smell good.
I mean, they can't smell it.
But I'm telling you, it smells good. Then I'm gonna add some pepper to it.
Once again, as much pepper as you would like to add to it.
Should be good. And last but not least, a little bit of salt.
That's right. We don't need that much salt. But again, you can add as much salt as you would like to it.
This much.
But then again, you can add as much salt you would like to it. And now you're gonna mix it all together. Nicely done. Good job. And so, just so you know, we cook the meat until it is done, and that means we cook the meat until it is not pink, right?
And so we're about to start doing the cheese. I'm about to turn it on to medium. Let that heat up for a second. While this is finished cooking, I'm about to spray it a little bit with the cooking spray. We're only going to use half of this cheese, so I'm going to cut it. I'm going to cut it into two. Place it down. I'm going to add a little bit of milk so the cheese won't melt. Won't burn.
How much milk?
1/4.
And how much cheese?
We just needed 8 ounces of cheese, and so this is 16 ounces. Just use half of that.
Perfect. And now what are you gonna do with that?
Stir up the cheese.
And then we're gonna wait for the cheese to melt. Alright, so we added the Monterey Jack cheese to the other cheese we already had in there, and it is melting nicely as well.
Now we're about to add the tomatoes.
Add the tomatoes in there. Mix it together. And now we're gonna mix the tomatoes together with the cheese. Now we're gonna add the diced green chilies too. Make sure we get all that in there. We got all of it in there. We're gonna stir it up. Looking really good. There you go.
Now we're gonna add the last ingredient is the ground beef to it.
Where's the beef?
Add all the beef in it. And now we're gonna mix it in.
And make sure you mix it together really good, guys. Really good. Get a good mix in. That looks wonderful.
And that is it.
That is it. And now we're gonna show you the final product. Alrighty guys, so this is the final product. Now you can eat any kind of chips you want with this. this meal. You can eat any kind of chips, your favorite chips, doesn't matter. The chips we're going to use is a hint of jalapenos. What do you know? Tostitos chips. The hint of jalapenos. That is the chips we're going to use to eat with these. These are really good chips. I recommend them very much. And so we thank you guys for watching our video and let us show you how to make the little salsa dip. And so make sure you guys share the link below to our video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel, Julisa Tube. Peace out, y'all. Wait a second. Y'all really thought we were about to end this video without telling y'all whether it was good or not? Well, let me tell you, it is the bomb. What do you think, Mel? Was it good?
Is.
It's banging, y'all. It's banging. Hope you got a chance to make it and try it for yourselves. Alrighty? Well, 1 to 10, how good is it? 10. Oh, I give it a 9. Peace.
I'm to be making
What are we making?
some beef queso dip.